In soil and water conservation engineering, the Unit 5 deals with the sediment. In sediment, the sources and factor affecting sediments are all the main important topics in Unit 5. First, sedimentation. What does mean by sedimentation? It is the process of letting suspended material settle by gravity. Next, suspended material may be the particles such as clay or silt originally present in the source water. Next, sedimentation is a general term for the process of erosion, transport and deposition. Next one, the sedimentation play an important role in elemental cycling in the aquatic environment. They are responsible for transporting a significant proportion of many nutrient and contaminants. And what are the sources which is involved in sedimentations are the sediments is derived from two broad erosion sources. First one is sheet erosion and second one is channel type erosion. In sheet erosion is a primarily on upland source of sediment, while channel type erosion are resulting from the concentrated flow of water is comprised mainly of gully erosion, valley trenching, stumbed and stream bank erosion such as. Next one, these are the sources of sediments. First one, erosion from agricultural, forest, wastelands. Next one, movement of soil mass due to landslides, slumps and soil creeps. Next, from the gully by concentrated runoff. Next one is stream bank erosion, including cutting of banks, scoring from beds, etc. Next one, the erosion caused by occurrence of flood in watersheds. Next one, due to some incidents in roads, railroads, clearing of house, industries. These are all create some type of sediment onto the land. Mining, dumps, lift as a waste material over the ground surface. While we let all the waste material on the ground surface during rain, this sediments may transported from one place to another place, and that the formation of sediments may increase in the river. Next, what are the factors affecting sediments of water resource? First one, land use and soil type. In land use, the sediment yield is closely related to the soil type and land use. First one, vegetation provide a cover of soil surface in the form of blanket to protect it from impact force of the rainfall, as we know. Due to vegetation, the erosion rate will be decreased. Next one, soil type. Soil type is an important variable to affect the sediment yield. For example, if there is a two types of soil, one is sandy and other one is clay. While in sandy soil, the erosion rate will be increase because the detachment of soil particles or sand particles from one place to another place is increased. While the soil is clayey form, the detachment is not easily take place because the sandy layers has more pore surface while compared to clayey surface. While clayey soil contain a very minute number of pores, so the water may not transport this coarse type clay type soil from one place to next place. Next one, catchment size. Catchment size is the main factors for affecting sedimentation. There is an association between the rate of sediment production and the size of catchment area, because the total runoff yield is depend upon the aerial extent of watershed. Next one is climate and rainfall.